So viewers and subscribers, one picture circulate the internet with Jahvillani, and you know the boss in white. Yeah man, him come out super white man. And a lot of people don't know have some negativity to say about the new image. But at the end of the day, a long time the artist are rubble. But this time just decides to go brawling with it. I even say it in a video. In a new song say yo, my urban name cream. Ray, nada. So viewers and subscribers, I want to know, comment and tell me what you think about Jahvillani or Super White.
We no let the big style now expand. Me hear them a talk, me no respond. Me rub on me bleaching cream. Rub on me bleaching cream. Girl band suck off me penis clean.
So viewers and subscribers, you see next thing we want to talk about in the review here. A Shenseena. Yeah man, the Sheng boss man. Sheng boss do a freestyle pan, don't rush rhythm. Everybody's supposed to know the rhythm them man. Don't rush. Slow touch. Yeah, that same rhythm the people. I mean I tell you, say Sheng boss shit. Eat up the rhythm. And nothing normal. So you see that female here, people who not take her light. Our thing up on the next level right now. So Shenseena, big up yourself, you know. Shenseena says she want to reach like Ramesh. Don't know your money tall touch the sky, you know. I'm love how you do with the team. Shenseena go and do it, you know, because you know you think to stop yourself. Dancehall shade room it there, so you know you think up on the next level.
Said it here? Yo. Tell them say a Shen, Y-E-N-G, yang different, no depend pan man fi ascend. Me high-end best a the best, creme de la creme, me ting up, no pin up, me no hem. Criminal wanted by many men, real champion as Buju Bantan. Them want see me feel, but that no God's plan. Back on me a hunt ghost like Danny Phantom. Hot girl sauce full of flavor, no mix, me no chase, me born a Jamaica, no punk, me no afraid. Me paper, me here for no itch, you we paper. Bring shot to you like a waiter. Blessings are run like praise, I give praise to me savior, me sharp like a razor, the well for the age, yeah. Money fear run like retainer, me want rich like Ramesh. Major girl stick to me like when blood clot. Any man my left me can get that back. Me no follow passion bars, I'm a one thing to follow what me lead. We like Dora's map. Me no sell sex, me only sell stocks. This a Shen yang ya no take tough chat. From me start par with up.
Next in line in this review is the unruly boss. And you don't know say that a popcorn. And you don't know you see the popcorn there in place and do some yard work. And what I rate and respect about this youth is that no matter how much money him have and how wealthy him is, him still find time for do him. You get where me I come from? For some other artists them feel like say yo, oh I'm rich, so I not have to do this no more. Hard work done. Yeah man, that's just popcorn. So a big respect goes out to popcorn. Big up yourself and want to keep on doing the good work, papi. You get me? I say unruly boss.
One next week for this one. I give nearly 1 hour wake him forward.
I will start to play.
Milton active, you know. You ready to start playing? Hold it on the front of you. Yes! Flourish now. You know, malnourish.
Some money or something.